A crossover with good off-road capabilities is famous for its reliability and longevity. Rightly so, now we'll figure it out. The fourth generation Forester, SJ, for the Russian market was produced in Japan. According to Japanese traditions, light restyling was carried out twice. We gradually updated the multimedia system and optics, improved the noise level, changed the settings of some components and assemblies. Engine. The 2-liter FB20, 150 horsepower, is very reliable, runs up to 250,000 kilometers. When overhauling, it is often not necessary to change the piston group. The timing chain serves up to 200,000 kilometers. The specificity of the Boxer is a high risk of oil starvation due to the small volume of the crankcase. More often than others, the fourth cylinder starves, announcing wear with a knock. The oil level must be carefully monitored on all Subarovsky engines, given the inevitable oil burn on old cars. Motor 2.5, 171 or 175 horsepower, a relative, increased cylinder diameter. It also has no serious shortcomings, but is prone to overheating. The gap between the cylinders is smaller. It is recommended to flush radiators at least once every 2 years, and control the coolant. The turbo version 2.0, 241 horsepower, was sold irregularly in Russia. There are few such cars on the market. In difficult modes, this motor heats up even more, up to the destruction of the pistons, but the resource is estimated at 150,000 to 200,000 kilometers. Transmission. The Lineartronic variator claims to be the most reliable. Cases of failure up to 150,000 kilometers are rare and are associated with incorrect operation. It is better to change the oil in a suitable variator more often than in a fresh one, every 40,000 to 45,000 kilometers. It is preferable to use expensive branded Subaru fluid. The classic machine gun was not delivered to Russia. A 5-speed mechanics, combined with a 150 horsepower engine, a rarity in the secondary. Lives for a long time, rarely breaks. The weak link is the shaft bearings. If you are not against manual labor, take it without hesitation. The life of the symmetrical all-wheel drive will be extended by more frequent oil changes in the gearboxes and transfer case. It is better to have the replacement interval recommended by the plant for used cars, up to 30,000 kilometers. The viscous coupling is quite tenacious and less tender than that of competitors. Stabilizer struts are consumables. Wheel bearings, complete with the hub, rarely live up to 100,000 kilometers. With regular cross-country graders, the steering rack quickly gives up. Knocking does not mean an urgent replacement. It happens that you can ride for a long time with it. Door seals quickly tan and let dust and dirt into the cabin. Forest disease of several generations. On many middle-aged cars, the back door refuses to close the first time.